Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today is September 6 and I'm with my sister. We're gonna head to Joyce's studio to pick her up. Today is the makeup workshop for this company. So, sa Ortigas yun. See you later. Joyce is here! Of all the days na masisira ang kotse ko, today pa talaga. Go overheat kasi mainit kasi kaya sabi ko sana umulan. Buti si Kuya naglalagay siya ng tubig. Ay, nako. We finally made it here in Podium with Bea. Hi, Joyce and my sister. Hi! We survived, girls. We survived. Nakapark na kami. So later hindi na mainit, so walang problema.
May mga food pa. May subway sa taas.
We're gonna look for a place to eat. Para siyang aso ni Jeremy. We're having lunch here at where?
Brass.
Oh, ang ganda mo naman, Joyce. Si Joyce naka-wear siya na parang fall lip color. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda, oh! So pretty. Hindi na naman kami nag-usap, pero color coordinated na naman kami. Red. Oh, di ba?
I got it from Bea.
Oo nga, kay Bea sa makeup sale. Hi, Bea!
Hello, what's up?
Anong lipstick mo? Wait, up, and then. Tama ba?
Please me.
Please me with
may
halo.
Halloween.
Oh, may halo eh. Yan. Si Ditzy Bare Naked Face. Kasi siya yung magiging model natin later. We have time. Ano ba yan?
Salsa.
Chipotle. Chipotle.
Isa siyang
I love this powder. Bigla na lang segue yun. Hindi kasi. Bigla. Pero to, no joke. It's the Rusi's Vanity Whitening Effect Mineral 2-Way Cake. Ito yung nasa face ko ngayon. Maganda siya kasi, tignan mo yung ang color niya pink, di ba? Pink and white. Tapos, yellow undertone. Di ba, Joyce? Suot mo ito ngayon? Oh,
maganda siya gamitin pag
di ba? Yun nga, kasi pinipress mo talaga. Ganyan. Ay, yun. Na-stress eh, napagoda. Ito yung itsura ng brasas. Ayan. We're here in Podium. Ayan, Podium. Pulled pork. Split.
Yan.
Okay. This one's called smoked pulled pork na mukhang masarap. So, magpapalit kami ni Ditzy. Joke lang. Bio, parang ang sarap. Ano sa'yo? Ay, pareho kayo? Pareho. Ikaw?
Ganun din. Pina-split ko lang.
Arte, pina-split pa talaga. This one is chicken wrap, something. But this looks yummier.
Oh, no.
Pero okay lang, kain tayo. We're done eating. We're gonna go to the venue na. Okay? See you later.
Bye.
Nagka-clap yung ears ko. Puro, ano to? Compliments sa Say Lash Curler.
Hindi kasi pinag-usapan namin yung Say Eyelash Curler, hindi nagka-club yun. Ay, nagka-club na ano.
Nalimutan ka na yung share mo na eyelash.
Oh my gosh. Ka-lurks ka, bae.
Kaya yung purple, yan.
Oo nga, parating na. We have the loot bags ready na for everyone. We're here at Invent Asia. We're just waiting for them. So, ano pala sila lahat? Ano yung mga nursing, tsaka PT, medical transcription. Transcriptionist. Paano kaya yun?
There, you know.
Ay, bawal ata i-vlog. Ano yan? Ang gagawa nyo?
Wala.
Ako na nag-vlog sa ano ni Say.
Vlog ka?
Okay.
Oh, yung mga gusto ng trabaho dyan, yung naglako ng trabaho. Invent Asia is looking for MTs. Medical transcriptionist. Yan, paano mag-apply? Paano mag-apply?
Email your resume sa aming HR. HR at prescribe-transcription.com.
Link is down. Yeah, link in the information. I changed my lipstick. Oh, Target Red from L'Oreal. Thank you, Jerome. Jerome Mediones, my friend. He vlogs, so I'll put his channel in the information box. He's sure thanking. So, we're going to the Amare for dinner. Kami kay Bea. Yes. Siyempre, pag nag-video siya sa'yo, hindi siya... kailangan naka-focus ka, tapos click mo. Ayun. Kasi magka-focus siya mag-isa. Tsaka pag gabi, mahirap na video pag wala ilaw. Oo. O yan, salita ka na. Hi! Yun lang. Yun lang gusto sabihin na nag-convoy tayo. We just parked. Sobrang takot ako sa steel parking. Oh my God. Hindi mo naman, nakakatakot. Pero nakapark na kami ng maayos. Okay, let's go. So, saan ang babaan dito? We're now here at Via Mare.
Laban time!
Hi, dinner. Thank you, babe. Ayan na. Ano yung mga bago dito? Sabihin ko, Inception.
As usual, ang bago
Ang
ito.
ingat. What's that? Churros.
This is new. Churros. And then we also have these ones. These ones are also new. We're gonna order this so you guys can try
Rabo de
it.
Toro.
It's yummers. Everything is yummers. But then I'm biased, so don't take my word.
Love it.
We'll order everything.
Hindi. May Jejemon picture.
Blurred ka pa.
Oh, di ba? Ay, okay yung next. Diba?
Wala ba kami nag-screen cap
Love
yung reader?
it.
Ay, oo nga.
Oops. Yan.
I love it.
Diba?
Pinaputok na tilapia. What's this, kuya?
Rabo de Toro.
Rabo de Toro. Oh, wow.
Do you see this? Do you see the
Oh
bone
my
marrow?
gosh.
I will, to mix it inside it. Look, this is... Yeah.
Bakit may laman? Pag ibang bulalo, ba't walang laman?
Oh, because of course we don't,
Ang galing! Wow, bulalo.
Look at that.
Pako. This one is pako salad. Wait lang ah. Yan,
YOLO.
Wow, hinalo ni Bea yung bone
Bone marrow.
Oh my.
Because marrow is for sharing. Yeah. So you
Time for dessert. Joyce, do the churros dance. We're walking to Cafe Beton for dessert.
For dessert.
Ayun si Bea, tsaka si Joyce, si Sola.
Day is over.
Yeah. We're walking. Ang ganda ng heels si Joyce.
Thanks, Mom.
Thanks, tita. Ay, auntie pala. Cafe Breton. Kakatapos lang namin tumawa.
sobrang smooth.
Talaga.
Oo nga.
Massage siya.
Pakita natin yung picture.
Fairness, nasa iyo na kasi yung ilaw.
Lapinay, April, you remember this? April, ooh, Lapinay. Oh, yeah. That one is Banoffee for Joyce Sola. Joyce Sola.
Viruses.
Akin, ninakaw ko na naman yung vlog camera ni Say. Yung akin naman, ano ba to? La Fantastic
Fantastic
Pinoy.
Pinoy.
And then yung kay...
Banoffee.
Banoffee, yes. Hello. Kain na.
Hindi niya yan i-hate. Hindi niya yan nilalagay. Yung ganyan-ganyan.
We're done with dessert. We're gonna go take Joyce. Studio ka ngayon matulog. Gusto ka matulog? Okay. Hindi lang sa'yo. Anyway, had so much fun. We'll see you tomorrow. Okay? Bye! Bye. Oh, thank you to Invent Asia for subscribing. Thank you. Bye. Bye, Vloggy! Bye, babe! Bye! Thank you for Via Mare. Bye! Bye! Dokla. Bye, Joy! Bye! 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 Babe, nagpa-park kami sa car. Ay, naku, may braso ako na. Ayoko na lang.